good feeling. I get a feeling that I never had before. No, I get a good feeling, yeah.
House on the streets and the flame that's a burning a city run. Trying to smile but the air is so heavy and dry.
I get a good feeling, yeah.
Strange voices are saying things I can't understand. It took once for comfort, they see us got right out of hand. It's a cruise somewhere.
What the fuck?
Daylight coming, we don't wanna go home.
It's a cruise somewhere.
What the fuck?
Turn the lights low, cause we about to get blown. Go through the alley at the gate and make a right. But be slick, cause cats been looking for this party all night. But this ain't your average party, we got bouncers watching feet. So if you chillin' on the wall, they gon' throw you in the street. So feel the beat, move your body, man, I best be seeing sweat. Stanton warriors are spinning and they ripping up the set. We ain't got time for all you corny suckers trying to play the wall. So the bouncers in the party, y'all gon' probably crack your jaw.
It's a cruise somewhere.
What the fuck?
Daylight coming, we don't wanna go home.
It's a cruise somewhere.
What the fuck?
Turn the lights low, cause we about to get blown.
Jojo, la la, let's go, Geronimo, get you out of here. Jojo, la la, let's go, Geronimo, get you out of here.
There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch, it's bringing me out the dark. Finally, I can see you crystal clear. Go ahead and sell me out and I'll lay your shit bare. See, I'll leave with every piece of you. Don't underestimate the things that I will do. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch, and it's bringing me out the dark.
The city is crowded, my friends are away, and I'm on my
We'll be alright.
It's too hard to handle, so I gotta get up and go. It's a cruise somewhere.
What the fuck?
Daylight coming, we don't wanna go home.
It's a cruise somewhere.
What the fuck?
Turn the lights low, cause we about to get blown.
I see you, baby, shaking that ass.
Daylight coming, we don't wanna go home.
I wanna go, shaking that ass.
All right.
Would you hold me and dance me?
What the fuck?